Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just starting sowing these, well not sowing these, planting these up. These are from Farmer Gracie in the Netherlands. I've got some double yellows and just some doubles mixed. These are begonias. These are the ones here. I'm planting these up into 9cm pots. These are them here, like so. All you need to do is fill them like so, and just cover them with probably just ½ inch to an inch of compost, nicely covered, and that should start them off nicely. So they're there. I've already done, as you can see, number 6 to do, but I've also done the dahlias. We have here Belle of Baramina, Islander, Lindsay Michelle, Penhill watermelon. Each one of these has got its own pot. Got this tub from Aldi. It's about £5.50, £6. Brilliant. It comes with a clear lid on it as well. So I'm going to use this as like a little unheated propagator. This will keep the moisture in, allow them to germinate and to get going, and not lose too much moisture. By doing that, I keep the heat in and I speed up the germination process. So I've got some over here. These are dahlias from Amazon, and they're just on my bench there, and they've been there a week or so. They're just coming through nicely. Over there, that's the heated part of the bench there, where the sunflowers and the cosmos are. This is unheated, but I'll be coming in here and make sure I take the lid off, so I allow them to breathe during the day, because otherwise get sun on it and I'm going to be cooking everything. So I'll just show the lid. Right, this is the last one. So that I've got 8 beautiful begonias in here now. Just a little bit of compost on the top. So what I'll do with this, I'll put some water in from the bottom. So I'll just get that sorted for you folks. So yeah, got my little watering can here. All we're going to do here is water from the bottom. This should soak in nicely, this. I love these containers. Like I said, for between £5 and £6 you cannot go wrong. So that's about 1 litre in there. And I'll show you the lid then. This is the lid. It's not super airtight, doesn't have to be. That's it. That's clicked into place, and there we have it. That's a 45 litre storage box from Aldi. So yeah, really happy with that. So that's just sorting off my dahlia and begonia tubers from Farmer Gracie. If you've got any questions about anything growing in me monkey's greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.